Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to set up job alerts on your LinkedIn profile. Begin by navigating to the home page and clicking on the search bar at the top. Type in the specific job title you are interested in, such as videographer, and hit enter. Next, select the jobs category from the menu that appears. You will see the current results based on your location. You can refine these results by adjusting the location, posting date, experience level, company, remote options, or the Easy Apply feature to suit your preferences. Once your filters are set, simply click the Set Alert toggle. A notification will confirm that your job alert has been successfully created. You can then select Manage Alerts to view your settings. Here, you will find your top job picks and personalized recommendations based on your search criteria. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.